This is the Strasburg Riverwalk in Strasburg, Virginia. It starts off in a gravel parking lot that has a shallow boat launch, portable toilets, and trash and recycling receptacles. It is a very gentle path with no real inclines, with the river on one side and sports fields on the other, and a few branch offs where people seem to go down to fish. It is maybe a 2 mile out and back, and it's just a chill spot when there isn't a sporting event going on. See the links below for the Strasburg, Virginia Parks and Rec main page and a link to a short bonus sound and visual VR meditative clip.